Hello, word enthusiasts, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me for another linguistic adventure. Today, we're diving deep into the world of words to explore one that might seem a little daunting, but it's incredibly important to understand. Our word of the day is cancer. It's a B2 level noun meaning a disease causing abnormal cell growth. Now, let's break that down. Cancer isn't just one disease, it's a group of diseases characterized by the uncontrolled growth and spread of abnormal cells. These cells can invade and destroy normal body tissues. Think of it like this. Your body is like a well-organized city, with each cell working together to keep everything running smoothly. Cancer is like a group of rebellious citizens who start multiplying rapidly, disrupting the city's harmony and causing damage. Understanding this word is crucial for navigating conversations about health, medicine, and current events. It's a term you'll encounter frequently in news reports, medical discussions, and even personal conversations. Let's consider some synonyms for cancer. A close synonym, though less commonly used in everyday conversation, is malignancy. For example, the doctor confirmed the presence of a malignancy after the biopsy. Another related term is tumor, which refers to an abnormal mass of tissue. However, not all tumors are cancerous. We might say, the scan revealed a tumor in her lung, but further tests would be needed to determine if it was malignant or benign, meaning non-cancerous. Another term is carcinoma, which is a type of cancer that begins in the skin or tissues lining organs. A sentence example is, he was diagnosed with basal cell carcinoma, a type of skin cancer. Now, let's flip the coin and look at some antonyms, words that have opposite meanings. One antonym for cancer, in the sense of uncontrolled growth, is remission. Remission means the decrease or disappearance of signs and symptoms of cancer. We might say, after several rounds of chemotherapy, the patient went into remission. Another antonym, in terms of the cell's behavior, is benign, which, as we mentioned earlier, refers to a non-cancerous tumor. The benign tumor was removed surgically, and no further treatment was needed. Another concept is health, representing the absence of disease. You might hear, maintaining a healthy lifestyle can reduce the risk of developing cancer and promote overall health. Now, how can we use cancer in everyday life? Well, you might hear someone say, my aunt is battling cancer, meaning she's undergoing treatment for the disease. Or you might read a headline like, scientists are making progress in the fight against cancer, which refers to research and advancements in treatment. You could also hear someone say, early detection is crucial for successful cancer treatment, highlighting the importance of regular checkups. Here are some more usage examples. The support group provides comfort and encouragement to people affected by cancer. She's a cancer survivor, having overcome the disease several years ago. The research team is investigating new ways to prevent cancer. The doctor explained the different stages of cancer to the patient. Genetic testing can help identify individuals at higher risk of developing certain types of cancer. Funding for cancer research is essential for finding a cure. He bravely faced his cancer diagnosis with courage and determination. A healthy diet and regular exercise can help lower your risk of cancer. The hospital has a specialized unit for treating cancer patients. Many charities focus on raising awareness and funds for cancer research. The family was devastated by the cancer diagnosis. The treatment for cancer can be physically and emotionally challenging. She volunteered at a cancer center to help others in need. The goal of the treatment is to eradicate the cancer cells. The medical community is working tirelessly to find a cure for cancer. He is a strong advocate for cancer awareness. The effects of cancer can be devastating to individuals and families. The government is investing in cancer prevention programs. Advances in medical technology have improved the outcomes for many cancer patients. Supportive care is an important aspect of cancer treatment. To summarize, Cancer is a B2 level noun that refers to a group of diseases characterized by uncontrolled cell growth. We explored synonyms like malignancy, tumor, and carcinoma, and antonyms such as remission, benign, and health. We also looked at how cancer is used in everyday conversations and various phrases. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this exploration of the word cancer informative and helpful. Your support means the world to me, and it helps others discover this podcast. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Hello Word and leave a review on your favorite podcast platform. It truly makes a difference. Now for your challenge. Create your own sentence using the word cancer and share it as a comment under this video. I can't wait to see your creative and insightful examples. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of words.